Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use Product Personalizer Shopify apps. Let's get started. So on your apps to Shopify.com, just search in here for Zepto. And in here, you should be able to see the Zepto Product Personalizer. So this is what it looks like. Head over and just click on that. Then click on install right here in order to successfully install the specific application to your Shopify dashboard. Now, on this new window that I've opened, we should be able to see this install button. So just head over and click on the install button right there. And then once you have clicked on it, it will show you the dashboard of that specific application looks like. So in here, we have the product or the free trial that they offer. So just head over and subscribe to this Zepto product personalizer. Now, once you have integrated the Zepto, you should be able to see that you can build your own watch. Like, for example, you can choose the case style, dial design, watch hands, and all these things right here. Now, also take note that it depends on what product you are trying to sell. So, for example, you're selling a t-shirt and we want it to be personalized. You can also upload your t-shirt template right here, and then you need to upload the picture or design that you want engraved on it. So they can also create their neon right here, just right there, text right there, and also the color and favorite background in order to see what the product will look like. And this is what I am saying about t-shirts right here. They can actually also engrave pillows, this necklaces right here, jewelries, as well as this product right here for shoe, this gloves, and all of these things right here. So just head over and then subscribe to them, and you should be able to integrate it on your Shopify and serve some personalized products. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like below, subscribe, because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.